Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Boxyluxe versus Boxycharm Premium video to share with you. So we're just going to unbox both of these together and we'll have the prices to compare. The Boxyluxe is something that you get every 3 months, and then the Premium you get every month. But on the months that you do get Luxe, if you're signed up for all 3 boxes, you'll get the Luxe and the Premium and no base box. On the other months when Luxe is not included, then they'll send you the Premium and the base box. So just a little quick breakdown there in case you're a little confused. The first box I think I'm going to get into is the Luxe box. Then their theme this month is Bubbles and Glitz. The first thing I got was one of my choice items, and it's a pair of earrings by the brand Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. Little cute studs there. Let's see what it says. So it says they're cushion cut cubic zirconia halo stud earrings. It says these stud earrings feature brilliant 2 CT cushion cut cubic zirconia surrounded by sparkling pave halos. Say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earrings, and they retail for $36. That was something nice and different to get in a Boxycharm. Next I have by Billion Dollar Beauty, their Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. It says it's vegan and charcoal infused. Feels promising, it's nice and soft. Has their logo there in the middle. Don't think I've ever tried a sponge from them. I believe we got maybe an eyebrow product one time in a box from them, but otherwise I haven't heard of them. Says for this one it's their charcoal beauty sponge. It says this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter, and it retails for $15. Then we have a brush set by Luxie. Great red packaging, perfect for this time of year. It's like a suede, probably a faux suede, but it's a nice material. Here's what it looks like. I love Luxie brushes, so I'm excited to give these a go. Some of these I don't have yet. Like this contouring brush. I like those to really chisel out when you want to a more precise contour. It looks like we have 3 face brushes in there and 5 eye brushes. It says it's their glitter and gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch, and it retails for $85. That's nice. I really like that. For me, I can never have too many brushes. Next we have by the Lifestyle Co. 100% natural temple rub. It says it's a calming. It says roll onto your temples and beyond ears for a calming feeling. So I guess it's like an essential oil. By the Lifestyle Co. 100% natural calming temple rub. What's more relaxing than lavender? That's exactly what I thought it smelled like. This temple rub, of course. The super blend of oils can assist in relieving headache, stress, and anxiety, and it retails for $24. Then I have by Sol de Janeiro, their Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capacu. I may not be saying that right. Lip butter. It says it's tinted Capacu lip butter in the shade Keep It Rio. Package looks like. Let's see what the actual lip butter looks like. It's a cute packaging. I love Sol de Janeiro products, but I've never tried a lip product of it's like the Bum Bum cream and the Cocoa Cabana cream mixed. Is the smell I'm getting, like if you mix those two together, but it's not very strong. It feels really nice on the lips. So it's something I think I'll get used out of. It has a little tint to it, not too much, but it is just a lip balm. Is on this a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of kapoku butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. It retails for $20. And we have a face palette by Iconic London. There's a pretty packaging there. Here's what it looks like. It looks like we have a couple of highlighters, then we have a shimmery bronzer, a matte bronzer, a shimmery blush, and a matte blush, which is cool. A Hip Dot palette, which I was excited to see. We got a pink and purple tone one, I forgot the name of it, in one of our recent boxes, and I really enjoy it. It performs pretty well. This one is called C Note. And then the actual palette has the same packaging. The shades look like. So we have nice blue and green tones and a couple of warm tones in there. That it says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C Note, an homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyperpigmented palette, you will find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep, and it retails for $30. And the last thing I have is by Sunday Rally. They're Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. Heard so many good things about this. I can't wait to try it. It says this multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance, while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high-potency formula exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even-toned skin. Retails for $85. Wow, that's a nice product to get in a subscription box. So I will total everything up here, guys, and put it here on the screen just so you know what the value of the Luxe for this month was. But those are all the items I got. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this month we got 8 products in our Luxe box, which is really cool. I think that they try to keep it between 8 and 10 if I remember correctly, so you do always get more, and then there's always supposed to be more expensive brands or high-end brands included in the Luxe box compared to the others. Now we're going to get into our Boxycharm Premium for December. And it has the same theme, bubbles and glitz. First thing I have is by Elemis, their Peptide for Plumping Pillow Facial. It says it's a hydrating sleep mask for thirsty skin. Plumps, replenishes, and hydrates. It's a 50 milliliter. Definitely use that with it being winter time. My skin gets really dry, so these sleeping masks come in handy. Here's what the packaging looks like. For this one, it says this super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. And it retails for $65. Wow. A bit pricey for a sleep mask, but hopefully it works. Next we have a volumizing mascara by Elizabeth Mott. It's called their It's So Big. Has a promising looking wand to it. It says the volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day, and it retails for $20. Sounds promising, we shall see. I like waterproof mascaras, so hopefully I'll like it. Next is a palette by True and Luscious, their Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight palette. A brand I've never heard of. Well, it looks interesting, looks pretty. Looks like kind of like the same as the Iconic, but a bigger version that we just got. A little different as far as the shades go, but we got some highlighters, some bronzers, and a blush. It says this Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin loving color, where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look, and it retails for $46. I have two masks by Glam Glow. One is their Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask, and one is their Eye Boost Reviving Eye Mask. It says Party's Over Dullness. The Eye Boost Metallic Masquerade Mask addresses the entire eye area to revive, revitalize, and energize with hyaluronic acid, skin-smoothing algae, and mushroom extracts to reduce the look of dry, fine lines. Glow Lace Sheet Mask uses the power of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and caffeine to deliver hydration and re-energize the skin. Format it in 2 pieces so you can get your perfect fit. Retails for $18. We have by Crown an All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set. It's in a box. Looks like they're white and rose gold. Those I'm not going to open, I'm going to give them as a gift, but it says here this 5-piece brush set provides all the necessary tools for application of all eye makeup look. The luxuriously silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. Retails for $34.95. Then the last item I got is a palette by Viseart. I've never tried their eyeshadow, but it's one of those that you hear about a lot online, so I was excited to try it. And you had a choice between the one I got and then one that was more all neutrals. So I got the one that had neutrals and some pops of color. Very pretty shades. So I'm excited to give this a go. I hear very good things about this brand, and they are a more expensive brand, so not something I would probably buy on my own. But always nice to get those type of things in subscription boxes. It says a palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. This scrumptious shadow collection descends from the iconic 01 Natural Mattes palette and is inspired by the concept of milieu, I may not be saying that right, centeredness in your environment. Add depth, dimension, and intensity to any look with this luxurious assortment of natural hues from pale chiffon to warm cocoa and fuchsia dahlia that complement all skin tones beautifully. Retails for $80. That's a small palette for $80, but we'll see how the quality is. That was all I got in my premium box, guys. I'll also have the amount that everything totals up to here on the screen for you to compare the two, and I hope you enjoy these videos. If you get Boxycharm, let me know what you thought of your December boxes below. Don't forget, I'll have a link down there too if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm for any of their boxes. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.